Okay, so we've completed our animation and we want to get the file ready for deployment, upload, sharing, whatever. And I'm going to do that via the composition menu. I'm going to go down to Add to Adobe Media Encoder. And it could take 1 or 2 seconds for that to boot up. There it is, and then 1 or 2 seconds for our composition to appear in the composition window. Maybe 3 or possibly 4 seconds, but it shouldn't take too long. Here it is. Now we've talked about using H.264, that's our kind of designated file format for the semester. We're going to select somewhere to output our animation. I'm going to call this Cool Cat on the desktop. I've already output one there. I'm going to replace that. Go save. That will override it. And I'm just going to check the bit rate in the compression. This is only 2 seconds long, so it's likely to be well under 5 meg. But just as a reminder, let's go to the video setting, scroll down and take note of the bitrate slider here. The closer to the left, the smaller the file size, the closer to the right, the bigger the file size and less compressed. I'm going to click OK and I'm going to render that file. I'm going to go to my desktop, or maybe I will do it through the Finder. Here's my desktop folder, and oh, there's my Cool Cat 1. That's the one that I just rendered. Looks great, and it's opened in QuickTime. A cool thing in QuickTime is that you can loop the playback of little snippets like this, so that you know, you can analyze the animation and the motion and think about adjustments that you could make to the animation, and then maybe implement that. Another thing you can do in here is if you want to present your work, you can enter full screen. So if you're doing like a presentation, I think that's kind of a good option. Anyway, congratulations on creating an animation of a character, and I'm looking forward to seeing your outcomes.